Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Basically, we are going to learn how much cost will take to manufacture 1000 number of a clay brick in a kiln. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to manufacture a clay brick, it is not economical to burn less than 6 to 7 lakh of a brick in a single kiln. And the quantity of a coal required for burning varies considerably depend on the subsoil water level, nature of the soil and the climate condition. To burn 1 lakh of a standard bricks where water level is low, about 14 ton of a coal may be considered as a fair. But where the subsoil water level is high, the quantity of a coal may be as high as 24 ton. Now, considering such variations, about 20 tons of the coal may be considered to burn 1 lakh of a brick in a bull type kiln. Now, consider we are manufacturing 1000 number of a standard clay brick. The cost include material as well as the labor charges. The material cost include coal and coal dust, fuel wood for first fueling, local sand for molding, pug mill charges, cost of a land or royalty, molding boxes, chimney and kiln charges, and sun-rise tool and plant charges. The labor charges include head mason, Mazdoor and fireman charges. Now let's see the quantity of a material and the amount required for manufacture 1000 standard clay brick. For manufacturing 1 lakh of a standard brick, about 20 tons of a coal is required. So to manufacture 1000 number of a standard brick, about 0.2 ton of a coal is required. The rate of a coal and coal dust is about 3400 rupees per ton. So the amount of the coal and the coal dust is about 680 rupees per 1000 number of a standard brick. About half kg of a fuel wood is required for the first fueling and the cost is about 10 rupees per kg. So the amount become 5 rupees per 1000 number of a standard clay brick. About 0.11 cubic meter of a local sand is required for the molding of a clay and the rate is about 1250 rupees per cubic meter of a sand. So the amount will become 137.5 rupees. The amount for the pug mill charge, cost of a land or royalty from where the clay is obtained, molding boxes, chimney and kiln charges, and sun-rise tool and plant charges are considered as a lump sum amount. In most of the places, it is seen that for pug mill charges, it is considered as 1140 rupees. The cost of the land or royalty is considered as 1000 rupees. Molding boxes, chimneys and kiln charges considered as 1000 rupees. And sun-rise tool and plant charges considered as 400 rupees per 1000 number of a standard bricks. In case of a labor charges, head mason or mistri is used only to ensure that the molding process is going correctly. His presence is required only 1/10th part of a day. The rate of a head mason is about 470 rupees per day. So the amount will become 47 rupees. About 5 mazdoor are required for molding a clay for a brick. The rate of a mazdoor is about 320 rupees per day. So the amount will become 1600 rupees. About 3 mazdoor are required to load brick in a kiln. The rate of a mazdoor is about 300 rupees per day. So the amount will become 900 rupees. And about 2 mazdoor are required for unloading and stacking of a burnt brick. The rate of a mazdoor is about 300 rupees per day. So the amount will become 600 rupees. Also, a fireman is required to maintain the temperature of the kiln. His presence is only half part of the day. The rate of a fireman is about 470 rupees per day. So the amount will become 235 rupees. After the complete burning process of a brick in a kiln, a mazdoor as a waterman is used to blow out the fire. His presence is about half period of a day is required. His rate is about 320 rupees per day. So the amount will become 160 rupees. Now by adding material and the labor charges, the total amount will become 7904.5 rupees. Also, water charges of about 1% of the total must be considered, as it is used in mixing or preparation of the clay for the brick, watering to blow out the fire, and basic sanitary use for the laborers. By adding water charges in a total amount, the amount will become 7983.54 rupees. And now finally, 10% of the total cost is considered as a profit or overhead. By adding profit and overhead, the total amount will become 8781.89 rupees. So the total amount required for manufacturing of 1,000 number of a standard brick is about 8781.89 rupees. After ideal burning of a standard brick in a kiln, about 60% of the first class, 15% of a second class, 10% of a third class, 10% of the overburnt, and 5% of the breakage bricks are obtained.